Hello guys, welcome to Eneco Music Hub. Keep on keeping on. There was a video I posted last time concerning Andante movements and the Allegro movements, the difference between the two. And this created a debate in the comment section. Now I have come back to clear the air. One thing with tutorial or teaching is when you give a particular tutorial and people don't really understand where you're heading to, you may come back to use another method. You understand it now? Now this was the same music I used that day in that video, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now on the Andante movement, as I said, Andante is slow at a walking pace, while Allegro is fast, lively, and quick. Andante is saying contrary of what Allegro is saying. You understand? Now, when we are giving this music in Andante, 4/4 Andante, see the rhythm of this particular line is also the rhythm with this. They have the same rhythm, but the difference now is the tempo. Here, the tempo is slow, and here, the tempo is fast. When you are giving this to sing, you now start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, do, so, so, la, la, so. Do, so, la, la, so. Now, what if the speed is increased? What if they increase the speed? That is Allegro now. If they increase the speed, maintaining the same beat, but the beat is now faster than the previous one, what you do is you will now sing it. This one will now come as fast as possible. Now look at it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, do, so, so, la, la, so. Do, so, la, la, so. That is the difference. This one is slow, this one is fast. Now, coming down to this particular line that created the problem, the rhythm has changed. Rhythm has to do with note value. Some notes are long, some are short. So notes here now, the notes, each note is long in this particular line. If you are giving this kind of music, are you going to tell the composer that you don't know what you are doing? If you are asked to perform this music in a competition, are you going to tell them that this music is not in order? What do? You use your initiative. You create something. Because you are expected to sing something like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. And if you use Andante movement, it's going to be so sluggish. This point, you shouldn't use Andante at this point. Because if you use Andante, see how it's going to be. Do, so, la, la, so. So sluggish. It's not really good. Now, you increase the tempo. Tempo has to do with speed. Now, increasing the tempo will give you this result. Do, so, la, la, so. Have you seen that? By increasing the tempo, the movement of the music has now rhymed with this particular Andante. Do, so, la, la, so. Do, so, la, la, so. Some will still say, I don't know what I'm doing, but I know what I'm doing. You don't use one method to learn music. If you learn from this angle, go and learn from another angle. You understand? Keep on keeping on.